Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faizwan bin Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is 04 DEE21F 2007. I am from class DEE2B. Now I want to present for rate of change question 3. The question is, a cylinder has height and radius that's constantly changing. Given that a cylinder height is 3 times of the radius base and the volume of the cylinder increased at a constant rate of 90 pi power 3 per second. The question is, find the rate of change of the radius when the radius is 5 cm. Okay, the answer for this question is, based on the question, the first step is we need to draw a cylinder. Then, based on the question, what we got, dV per dt is equal to 90 pi centimeter cube per second. Next, for r is equal to 5 cm and h is 3 times of the radius base. So what we have to find is dr per dt. Okay, for the next step, I will let Ivy for show to us how to solve this question.
Thank you, Faiz. So let's continue to step 3. My name is Aifi Ifanuddin bin Abu Hassan Ash'ari and my metric number is 04DEE21F2006. So we know that the volume of cylinder is formulated as pi radius square h. So we got V equals to pi radius square multiplied by 15. So we get dV per dr equals to 30 pi radius. Next, the formula for finding dV per dr multiplied dr per dt. So now we got 90 pi equals to 30 pi radius multiplied by dr per dt. So dr per dt equals to 90 per 30 pi radius and dr per dt is 3 centimeter per unit. So the final step is when we got radius equal to 5. So dr per dt equals to 3 radius centimeter cube by s power of 1. The final answer is we got 15 centimeter per unit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Amsyah Syahmi bin Muhammad Annan. I from DEE2B. My metric number is 04 DEE21F 2001. Today I will present about stationary point question number 1. The question is, y equal x power 3 plus x power 2 multiply 5x multiply f. Find the turning point and determine their natural. Step 1. Find dy per dx. Y equal x power 3 plus x power 2 multiply 5x multiply 5. After that, dy per dx equal 3x power 2 plus 2x multiply 5. Step 2. Find value of x. At stationary point, dy per dx equal 0. X 3x power 2 plus 2x multiply 5 equal 0. The x is 1 and negative 1.67.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazami bin Rozaman. I'm from class DEE2A. My metric number is 04 DEE21F 2008. Now we will go to the third steps, which is to find the value of y when x is equal to 1. Then we put y equal to 1 in parentheses with the power of 3 at 1 squared. Minus 5 multiplied by 1 minus 5. After the calculation results, we get y equal to with negative 8. Then we will find the value of x2 by replacing negative 1.67 to xy equal to negative 1.67 to the power of 3 plus negative 1.67 square minus 5 bracket negative 1.67 minus 5. Another result is y equal to 1.48. Next, we will solve. The stationary point is 1, common negative 8 and negative 1.67 comma 1.48, and we will go to the 4 steps to find d squared y over dx squared. We put the denominator dy above the x equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 5, and the result is cx plus 2. For determine their nature at point 1.8, we enter the value as usual. To find the value is d squared y over dx squared equal to 6x.1 plus 2, and the result is 8 angle 0 minimum. Lastly, we must find the value at the point common negative 1.67 common 1.48. So as usual, we just enter the value d to the power of squared y per dx squared equals 6x plus 2, and we enter the value of the point, so it becomes 6 commons. Negative 1.67 plus 2, the result is negative 8.02 angle 0 at the maximum. Oke, sudah siap.